Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to demo the trip experience on the Uber driver app. Okay, so to go online, we'll just select the Go button. Now we're online and open to requests. Alright, so a request has come in. You have 10 seconds to decide if you want to accept the request, and you can see all of the upfront details. You can see that this is an UberEats ride. The upfront fare is $5. The passenger's rating is 4.89. The distance to the pickup location is 6 minutes and 3.1 miles away, and it is located in the city of Shoreview. The distance from the pickup location to the drop-off location is 3 minutes and 0.8 miles. The drop-off location address is 1300 Gray Fox Road in Arden Hills. On the map, you can see that the pickup location is the blue circle with the person in it, and the drop-off location is the black circle with the square in it. If you do want to decline a request, there's that X in the top right corner, and if you want to accept the request, you just press the accept button at the bottom. Alright, so I've accepted the ride. And also at the bottom you can see that information that the passenger is 5 minutes and 3.2 miles away. Immediately the Uber driver app will show you navigation to the pickup location. But if you want to use your default navigation app, you just press the navigate button. And my default navigation app is Google Maps. Alright, so let's navigate towards the passenger. I'll just use the default Uber in-app navigation. Alright, so if you want to send the passenger a message, you just select that bottom bar. You'll select that bottom left messaging icon, and here's where you can send the passenger a message, or you can call the passenger by selecting that phone icon in the top right there. Also here, if you wanted to cancel the ride, you just select that person icon. Here you can see the person's name and rating again. You can also call the passenger if you'd like to, and if you want to cancel the ride, you just select one of those cancellation reasons. Now if we slide that bottom bar all the way to the top, there's an option at the bottom there to stop new requests, which are requests that you'll receive while you're in your current ride. Also here you have the search icon, so you can enter destination mode when you're en route to a passenger or when you're traveling from a passenger's pickup location to their drop-off location. You don't have to wait till the end of a trip to enter destination mode. And also if you select that bottom left toggle, you can change your driving preferences if you want to when you're en route to a passenger. Now when you arrive at your passenger's pickup location, at the bottom there it will say Rider Notified, and that blue person icon there is the real-time location of your passenger. The bottom bar will slide up, and then right under where it says Rider Notified, you'll see the countdown clock. This is the amount of time you have until you can cancel the ride for a no-show. This clock will count down from 2 minutes, and then once it reaches 0, it will count up to 5 minutes. Once that 5 minutes has passed, a total of 7 minutes, you can then cancel the ride if the passenger no-shows you. Alright, in order to start the ride, you just slide that arrow that's in the Start UberEats button to the right. I'll use the default in-app navigation again. If you ever need to change the destination address, you just select the top navigation bar. At the bottom there, you'll see the destination address if you just select that pencil on the right there. This is where you can edit the drop-off location. When you arrive at the passenger's drop-off location, again that bottom bar will slide up. And looks like I've actually received a queued request, a back-to-back request. This is a request that you receive when you're still in your current ride. Most of the upfront information is there. I can see that it's an UberEats ride. I can see that the upfront fare is $9.94. The passenger's rating is 4.43. I can see the time and distance to the pickup location and the street and city. And then I can see the time and distance from the pickup location to the drop-off location. And also on the map, you're able to see the pickup location, but you're not able to see the drop-off location. At the top there, it's kind of hidden, but you can see that the pickup location is that blue circle. I don't want to accept this request, so I can just allow it to expire, or I can select the X right here to decline it. Alright, back to my actual rider. Once you want to complete the trip, you just slide that arrow in the Complete UberEats button to the right. You then can rate your rider, and now you're back and open to all requests. Also, if you're looking for some additional insights on your earnings and also want to earn more, we recommend downloading the Solo app, and our referral link will be in the description. Alright, also, when you're en route to a passenger or you're driving a passenger to their destination, if you still want to see that information that's at the top of the screen, normally when you're just logged in, those toggles are still there, they're just hidden. All you have to do is slide that top navigation bar down to see those toggles. Also, if you're ever online and don't want to go offline, you just want to take a break, you can select that coffee mug icon, and this will actually bring up a list of all restrooms, any charging stations, any gas stations, or any food nearby. Alright, and there's another functionality called Trip Radar. At the bottom there, you can see that there is a Trip Radar request available. If I select that, these Trip Radar requests are requests that haven't been accepted or have been declined by other drivers. These requests go out to Trip Radar, then certain nearby drivers can see them within their Trip Radar. This shows me the upfront details of that request, but you are not shown any pickup and drop-off locations on the map. If you want to accept one of these requests, just select it and then you'll see if you're matched with it. Alright, so that's it for the on-trip demo. If you've yet to watch our app settings and basic functions demo of the Uber Driver app, be sure to check that out. We also have a free newsletter, and if you want to sign up for that, that link will be in the description. And if you'd like to check out the Solo app, again, that link will be in the description as well. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe.